In the world of cryptocurrency, security is everything. But in the battle between hot wallets and cold wallets, which one reigns supreme? Get ready to embark on a journey into the heart of digital asset protection, where every decision could mean the difference between fortune and failure. Here's an overview of the strengths, weaknesses, and real-world implications of cold wallets versus hot wallets. First up, cold wallets. Strengths: enhanced security. Cold wallets, typically in the form of hardware devices or paper wallets, are offline and thus less susceptible to hacking attacks. Protection from online threats. Since cold wallets are not connected to the internet, they are immune to online threats such as phishing attacks and malware. Long-term storage. Cold wallets are ideal for long-term storage of large amounts of cryptocurrency, providing peace of mind for investors. Now, here's the weaknesses. Limited accessibility. Due to their offline nature, accessing funds stored in cold wallets can be less convenient and may require more steps. Risk of physical damage or loss. Hardware cold wallets can be lost, stolen, or damaged, leading to potential loss of access to funds. Initial setup complexity. Setting up a cold wallet may require technical know-how and careful handling of private keys, which can be intimidating for beginners. Real-world implications. Secure investment storage. Cold wallets are ideal for storing significant amounts of cryptocurrency for long-term investment purposes. Protection from cyber attacks. Using a cold wallet can mitigate the risk of falling victim to online threats and hacking attempts. Peace of mind. Investors who prioritize security and are willing to sacrifice some convenience value the reassurance provided by cold wallets. Now, let's take a look at hot wallets. Strengths: convenience. Hot wallets, such as software or mobile wallets, offer quick and easy access to funds, making them suitable for everyday transactions. Accessibility. Since hot wallets are connected to the internet, users can access their funds from anywhere with an internet connection. Integration with exchanges and services. Hot wallets often integrate seamlessly with cryptocurrency exchanges and online services, facilitating trading and transfers. Weaknesses: increased vulnerability. Hot wallets are more vulnerable to hacking attacks and online threats compared to cold wallets due to their online presence. Phishing and malware risks. Users of hot wallets are at risk of falling victim to phishing scams and malware attacks that target their private keys or login credentials. Potential for loss. If a hot wallet provider experiences security breaches or service disruptions, users may lose access to their funds temporarily or permanently. Real-world implications. Convenient transactions. Hot wallets are suitable for users who frequently engage in cryptocurrency transactions and value convenience over maximum security. Accessible funds. Users who need quick access to their cryptocurrency holdings for trading or spending prefer hot wallets for their ease of use and accessibility. Risk awareness. It's essential for users of hot wallets to remain vigilant against security threats and take necessary precautions to protect their digital assets. As you navigate the turbulent waters of cryptocurrency security, remember, the choice between hot and cold wallets can mean the difference between safeguarding your assets and exposing them to risk. Make an informed decision and prioritize the protection of your digital wealth. And for those ready to take the next step in securing their crypto holdings, check the description for a link to purchase your own cold storage device. Stay safe, stay secure, and happy investing. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.